Imagine holding the power of a professional film studio or a high-end data center in the palm of your hand. For years, the Mac Mini was the budget Mac, the entry point for those who wanted Mac OS without the premium price tag. But everything we thought we knew about small form factor computing just got incinerated. Apple didn't just update a product, they shifted the entire paradigm of what a desktop is supposed to be. You might be wondering, why now? Why does the M5 matter more than the M1, M2, or the powerhouse M4? It's because we've reached a tipping point. The silicon lottery is over, and Apple has officially moved into the realm of impossible performance. Today, we are breaking down every hidden detail, every secret benchmark, and the real-world impact of the M5 chip that Apple didn't mention on stage. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are thinking about buying a computer in the next 12 months, you cannot afford to look away from this. Let's talk about the heart of the beast, the M5 architecture. This isn't just a minor speed bump. We are looking at a fundamental redesign of how the unified memory architecture handles high-intensity AI workloads. In the US market specifically, where productivity is the ultimate currency, the M5 is positioned as the ultimate invisible worker. It sits on your desk, silent, consuming less power than a standard light bulb, yet it outclasses workstations that cost 5 times as much. But here is the catch that most reviewers are missing. Performance isn't just about raw clock speeds anymore. It's about thermal efficiency and the new neural engine. The M5 features a specialized intelligence core designed specifically for the next decade of software. We are talking about real-time video upscaling, instant local LLM processing, and 3D rendering speeds that make the previous generation look like a toy. Think about your current workflow. That moment of friction when you wait for a 4K video to export, or the slight stutter when you have 50 Chrome tabs and 3 specialized apps open. That friction is what Apple is trying to eliminate. With the M5, the goal is zero latency computing. You click, and it happens. There is no loading. There is no processing. There is only done. The design language has also evolved. While it maintains that iconic aluminum footprint, the internal airflow has been completely reimagined. Apple took the lessons learned from the Mac Studio and shrunk them. They realized that to push the M5 to its absolute limit, they had to solve the heat problem without making it loud. The result? A machine that stays ice-cold even when you're pushing a 100-track music project or compiling millions of lines of code. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the value proposition. In a world where high-end PCs are getting bulkier and more power-hungry, the Mac Mini M5 goes the other direction. It is the ultimate expression of less is more. But is it for everyone? That's where things get interesting. There is a specific configuration of this machine that represents the best value in tech history, and there is another that is a total trap for your wallet. As we look deeper into the connectivity, the M5 introduces the next generation of Thunderbolt integration. We are seeing data transfer speeds that actually match the speed of the internal SSD. This means your external drives now feel like internal storage. For photographers and videographers working in the US,